The Amazon Fire TV Stick is simple to use with your TV service. To access the menu, press the menu on the remote control. Use the select keys to select the guide or other menu options, including shows, movies, DVR, settings, and search. Once you've highlighted the option you want, press the select button. To navigate through the menu or guide, utilize the select button. Tap up or down to move through the guide to see programs currently playing. Hold the up or down key to scroll quickly. Tap right to move forward in the guide to view up-and-coming programs. Tap left to go back or access Replay TV menu. Replay TV allows you to watch shows that have previously aired. When selecting a show in the guide to watch, press the select button to begin watching. Your viewing options will appear. Press select again to play, record, or learn more. When you select play, the program will begin playing. An option will appear also to allow you to choose to start the programming from the beginning. If you select a program that is airing in the future, you can select to record it. If it is a series, you can also select to record one or all episodes. You can channel surf while watching a program. Once in the program, tap up or down to move one channel in the lineup. To exit out of the program you selected or a screen that you're in, press the back button. The bottom three buttons on your remote are used for the DVR navigation. In DVR recordings, you may also fast forward. To access the DVR, go to the menu, then select the fourth icon. You can view your recorded and scheduled programs. To watch a recording, select it, press select and play. To manage scheduled recordings, select a program and select the desired options. In the DVR menu, you may also view your DVR storage. Storage information will be in the upper right corner. Next to the DVR hours is the settings icon. Select it to view a variety of settings options. Last item in the menu is the search option. Utilize the remote to type in the name of the program you're searching for and select it for viewing options. In addition to your device remote, you may also control your TV service from your smartphone. To do so, visit the App Store and download the Amazon Fire TV Stick app. We hope you enjoy your TV service. For more information about your remote or service, visit us online or call us today.